Did you know that in the 1920s, young women literally glowed in the dark from their jobs? Hundreds of factory workers painted watch dials with radium paint, so soldiers could read time at night. Their bosses told them radium was completely safe and made them lick their paintbrushes to create perfect points for detailed work. Every single day, they swallowed radioactive poison. At first, the women thought it was magical. Their hair sparkled, their clothes glowed, even their breath lit up in the dark. They painted their nails and teeth for fun parties. But then the horror began. Their jaws started rotting away. Their bones crumbled like chalk. Deadly cancers spread through their bodies. The companies knew radium was dangerous but lied to save money. These brave women fought back in court while dying painful deaths. Their lawsuits created the worker safety laws that protect millions of people today. The Radium Girls sacrificed everything so future workers could demand safe workplaces. Their glow in the dark became a beacon of justice that still protects us.